Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Kevin, and please make sure to click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn your post notification bell on, and make sure that you comment and like. And without any further ado, let's go straight to the video. Make sure you follow my social media, my business social media. I'm gonna put it right here. Right now we're only on Instagram, so please make sure you follow us right there. Most of the time, guys, I order my items from Amazon because first of all, they have the fastest shipping. Like, tell me a website that you know they ship as fast as Amazon, because for me, I don't know. Amazon A1 when it comes to shipping and everything. So I'm gonna show you guys what I ordered. I feel like I'm talking a lot, so I'm gonna go straight to showing you guys. I'm gonna start with the smallest thing, okay? So the first thing that I got is actually this box right here, and I'm just gonna tell you guys that I already opened a lot of my items because I just wanted to make sure before I filmed this video that they gave me the correct items, but I didn't use it yet. I just wanted to make sure that I got the correct items. So the first thing in this box, is actually these flavoring oil that I got from Amazon. And I always get these from Amazon. I know some people get it from like Get Suckered and stuff like that, but for me personally, their shipping is very expensive. I live in Canada, so their shipping is extremely expensive. I'm like, no way. Amazon, I pay Prime, I get these in like a few days, so I'm good, right? So this is what it looks like. Focus. There you go. So as you guys can see, I always get the same color. I got a bunch of pina coladas, coconut, I think this is strawberry. I also got peppermint. So these are all the colors that I use on a regular basis. If you make lip glosses, you need these because it gives your lip gloss a nice scent, and it's just very nice to use. All right, but I got these white organza bags from Amazon, and these are 5x7, and I use these and pink organza bags because if you don't know, but my business theme for now, it's white, pink, and gold, and any other nude colors. So I make sure that my packaging goes as well with the theme. That's why I use these white organza bags. I also have the pink ones. I'm almost running out, and I just want you guys to see the size difference. So this is 4x6, this is 5x7. I use these most likely when I have like 4 and up lip glosses ordered, and then I use these when I have like 3 and less lip gloss orders. So it's really cute, it does the job. And yeah, I got these packaging bubble melers right here, but I didn't get these from Amazon, guys, because every time that I try to order bubble melers from Amazon, they never have this color, or if they do, it's gonna get delivered in like 2 months or 3 months, and I'm like, no, I need them right now. So what I did is I got these from AliExpress, and surprisingly, AliExpress, it took like 1 week or 2 for it to come, so I was really surprised. And there's 10 inside of this box right here. My normal packaging bubble melers are pink, but since the holidays are here, I wanted to try something new for the holidays, and I'm gonna see if I like these, because the one that I have, I'm gonna insert a picture right here so you guys can see it. The one that I have, I feel like it's see-through, and it's just not like, it feels cheap. The material kind of feels cheap, but this one I can already tell that it's thick, and I really like the thickness of it, and I really like the color. So I'm gonna see how this will go with my holiday packaging, and if I like it, I'm gonna keep it, and we're just gonna continue with this instead of the pink one. So we're gonna see how it goes. And moving on, the next thing that I got is I also got these smaller ones. I was kind of disappointed because these ones, as you guys can see, the sizes are way smaller than these. Yeah, the sizes are way smaller than these, and I wanted these to be the same size as this, but I guess I didn't really read the description, so I just got the wrong size. But I'm not gonna be so mad because I remember that I'm about to add some new things on my website, so I'm gonna be using these to pack them up. If you guys are interested to see what these new things will be, just make sure you follow me on my social, my business social right here, and you guys will know all about it at the end of this month. All right, so this is what I got. And the next thing that I got from Amazon, actually, it's this bigger box right here. Okay, I got this box right here. Oops. Yeah, I just hope it doesn't show my address and everything. So I got this box right here, and in this box there is these lip gloss tubes. I really hope you guys can see that. It's not really focusing. The reason why I get these lip gloss tubes, as you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys one. It's plain. Okay, so I get these lip gloss tubes because every time that I want to try like a new lip gloss color, I prefer using these compared to my original lip gloss tubes, because these ones are way cheaper, and these ones I can always use it, and then like if I want to have a giveaway, I always use these. It's more, for me, I feel like it's more practical to use these than my original one, because these are cheaper than my original tubes. I can show you guys what I'm talking about, because I feel like my original tubes are engraved, so you guys can see my logo. Oh, focus. Yeah, you guys can see my logo is already on it compared to the one that I get from Amazon. The one that I get from Amazon, it's cheaper because my logo is not on it. Last thing that I got from Amazon are these syringes right here. Okay, these are the 60 ml, and I use these to fill in my lip gloss tubes, but in like a larger amount, because if you guys watch my previous video, you guys will see that I don't use these if I'm making like 5 lip glosses, because I feel like it's a waste, and I personally I don't like to reuse these syringes. Like, I know some people do and wash. I would rather use it once and just throw it away. That was Amazon and AliExpress. Now we're moving on to TKB trading. Okay, TKB trading. Yeah, so my TKB trading stuff actually came in this box right here. Okay, they delivered from FedEx. I'm hiding my address once again. And normally if you live in the States, I assume the shipping is not as expensive as if you live in Canada. I live in Canada, and shipping to my house, it's actually pretty expensive, especially if you're buying more than one item. It's really expensive. Sometimes it makes me so mad, but then I need these things. So yeah, so the thing I got from TKB trading, first of all, is this huge Versagel. This is the, what's the size of this? This is the 3.5 lb, because I remember once people bought so many lip glosses that I was sold out on Versagel, and then to order it took few months. Like, it took a lot of time for it to come, so I was kind of stressed. I'm like, what am I gonna do? But then thank God I figured something out. Like, I ordered Versagel, but not from TKB trading, so it was a whole story. But now I got this big one, and I feel like every month I'm gonna add because I actually want to stock up on these so that I'm really like stocked up, you know what I mean? So this is what I got. I also got from TKB trading these mica powders. I got this in a size, this is like the largest size that I got, and then IBB, I got it like the white one, I got it in a small package because I have a lot of the white one, but I was sold out on the silver one. I also got these pigments right here, guys. It is in this color, so cute. These two colors are so cute. I've tried this one in the past, but this and this one I haven't tried it, so I'm really excited. This is called Roasted Chestnut, so it's like a chocolate brown color, perfect for nude lip glosses. And then this is like a peachy color. I'm really excited to try that out. Last thing that I got, and this is not from TKB trading, are my lip gloss tubes. I was so surprised, guys, that we literally sold out. We sold out on all of my lip gloss tubes. I ordered again, we sold out, and now I was like, I need to order a bigger, like a larger amount. So I ordered these. This is like 100 pieces in there. I haven't washed them yet, and this is what it looks like. People always ask me, how do you have your logo on it? Because my vendor did that for me. So you just need to communicate with your vendor. Yep, this is what it looks like. It says Kglow by Kevin Kele, that's my name, and then it just says the size of the tube. And then these are my silver cap, lids, cap, whatever, and then the stoppers. So that's really all that I got for my inventory haul of this month. I was so excited to do this video, guys, so I really hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you made it this far, and also don't forget to, you know, subscribe to my channel, and to also go follow me on my business social media. I'm gonna put it right here, and it's also gonna be listed under the description box. Thank you for the love, thank you for liking, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. So